Hey fam, come with me as I do a foot wash and massage for my hubby. So this was one of the most exciting thing I've ever done. So first of all, he was so skeptical and didn't know what was going to come out of it. So I was like, okay, let's try this. So first of all, I have my warm water here. Yes, so he was trying to test the water if it's hot, if it's okay and suitable for his feet to go in. Sometimes men are so skeptical and they think you don't know what you're doing, especially your husbands. So now we were trying to test the water to just make sure the temperature is balanced. You might be wondering what is green over here. Please stay tuned and don't go until I tell you what this is all about. So, first of all, I had to put in my foot soak. Yes, you have this foot soak either in solids or in liquids, and that's my Epsom salt that I'm putting there. And I had to put in some baking soda, and I had to put in some shower gel, and I also had to put in my rose water because I didn't have the flowers at that moment, and I had to put in my essential oils. And I also had to put in my Epsom salt. So guys, you can see that everything is all set and done. You need to put in all of this if you want to do your footing back at home or if you want to do it for someone else. So guys, let's stay tuned. So before we move on, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Hop in, subscribe, join the train, and click on the notification bell just so you are alerted each time I post a video. Be the first to watch, be the first to comment. So I had to soak in his feet for 40 minutes. I love it when I do soak those feet for this long period of time. You should do same because if you do not soak the feet properly, then know that you won't achieve the best results. So we had to soak this feet for this long period of time, and now it's ready and it's okay to be exfoliated. So I had my washing feet tools ready. If you do not have this, you can use this volcanic stones. So you can see that I'm touching every area of his foot, back, forward, front, toes, and every area, guys. You must be generous when washing someone's feet, okay? And for sure, I'm washing my husband's feet, and I'm super happy and excited that I could do this, and he let me do it because it's not easy. The patience and everything was just top notch, and I really appreciate that. So guys, please stay tuned and just watch me do this romance, okay? All right. So guys, after scrubbing the legs, I had to apply our scrub on it. This is our QE moisturizing scrub. I had to apply the scrub and made sure I scrubbed and exfoliated the foot. And you should do same if you are in the same situation. Make sure you get yourself a foot scrub. If you are in China, you can get this from me. Just DM me on WeChat and you will get the best. So just keep exfoliating, massaging, exfoliating and massaging, and so on and so forth, and you get there. All right, stay tuned. So, guys, I had to switch back to my filing tools. Yeah. So, I kept filing, exfoliating, trying to scrape out every dead cell under the feet and the skin as well. So, please stay tuned. Your food. So I just had to moisturize and moisturize, making sure everything goes in and sinks into the toes. So if you're having a client or someone who has fungal or any toe disease, so make sure you put in the medicine or the rub which is required to treat these areas of the toes or the feet, so it's gonna sink properly. So guys, you can feel how clean his feet are. He couldn't believe it, trust me. He couldn't believe it. It's like period. So this is so amazing. I really had so much fun doing this because, first of all, the passion was there. I've been begging him for a very long time just to do this, but he was like, don't really want to succumb to it. So it was just something that I really wished to do, and we had the chance to do it. And so it was a great day. Thank God we did. And yes, guys, you're feeling it. Are you feeling it? If you want to try this at home, you can as well inbox me or leave your comments on the comment section and tell me that you want to try this and you need to know all the products that I used. So I'm not going to list in these products. So I'm just gonna let you watch this video until the end so you can tell me if you need these products or not on the comment section. Okay, so we're gonna go for those who are interested. Oh my, can you see, can you feel it, can you see how clean his toes are? All right guys, so So you can see how happy and so excited he was. He couldn't believe it. All right, guys, if you've been watching this video up to now, I just want to say thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you so much for subscribing, and see you in my next video. Yes, comment down below if you want me to list out these products. Yes, yes, yes. If you want some pictures, everything. All right, guys, for my love to you, I say thanks so much and bye.